Hello friends, in this lecture we will see deep drilling, and deep drilling is under this hole making. This is deep drilling, deep hole drilling. We use this deep drilling cycle that includes the coolant and feed rate control that is required for deep hole drilling. Okay, and if there is any crossover gap, crossover hole is there, see like this, so it will also consider that. So let's start. And tool I have already taken, my tool is this. So 0.75-inch tool I am going to use, and my method is this deep hole drilling. Okay, first I am going to select this geometry. So this is the geometry. Okay, and this will also work with single move. In machine cycle it will not work. This is a deep drilling, so click here. And under deep drilling, when tool will engage, this is the condition. When it will cut, that is the condition. When tool will retract, this is the condition for that. Okay, so first cut 50% of tool, or we can add distance. So I'm going to change, let's take it tool 50% of tool dia, and last is also 50% of tool diameter. And from strategy, my top offset is 0.125 and bottom is zero point 0.1. So let's generate it, then we will see. Click and play. Okay, directly it is first cut, last cut, and middle one step cut. Okay, so three things are there. Now go to this move, and here I'm going to use deep drilling with chip breakage. If I'm selecting chip breakage, that time I will get this step clearance. So I'm going to add zero point 0.5 as a step clearance, and rest is the same, and depth increment is zero point 0.4. Okay, okay, again calculate, and let's see. 0.4, 0.5, 0.4, 0.5 chip breakage we can assign. Okay, and from this strategy, here we have crossover distance, which is by default 300. And if you want to add its effects, so select this 100% and generate. See, it is working. Okay, and now from feed and speed, if I am going to change, 10 is my cutting speed. From mode, first, last cut and step cut, and crossover, I am also want to add 200%. Now generate. Let's say this. Okay, at the space of this crossover, this feed is 200 time of cutting feed. Okay, and okay, let's generate the program for this. So go to post processor, and my post processor is Fanuc. Okay, Fanuc millimeter. It is a millimeter processor. Okay, I'm just using this one. Okay, and see. Close. So in this way we can use deep hole drilling